video, I'll show you how to create a public calendar where I can share with others. Yeah. So I go into settings and sharing, and then I go to add calendar and create new calendar. And I call this demo public calendar. Yeah. And then I create calendar, and I should see this demo public calendar somewhere here. Here, the blue one, demo public calendar. So I can create event in here. But how do I make this public? Yeah? So I go into settings and sharing and make this available to public. So with this, it will make the events visible to the world, including via Google search. Are you sure? Yes, I want this to be public. And then I get a shareable link and copy this link. Then I get the first link. Yeah. I make a new note. How do I create a new note? This one. Yeah. So this is the first. This is calendar link. Yeah. First one. This link is the link where I can give to another Google users, and they can add this link into their calendar. So for other user, they can add calendar, and then from URL, and they put this my URL in here and add calendar, then they'll be able to subscribe this. So when I add something new, they can also get informed. Yeah? This is how I share calendar with some close friends. Now, second thing, when I want to share it more publicly, like to parents or to whoever, stranger, and they don't even need to log in Google, then I use something down below. Here, there's a public URL to this calendar. And with this public URL to this calendar, I can open a new browser, put in this calendar link. So this is the second link. Yeah, let me put in the note. It's this is the second one. This is different. A bit different from above. Yeah. So this one, it will open up a calendar, and if I add something in there, it will show up there. Let's try that. Yeah. So here in my calendar, let's create an event at 9 p.m. Yeah. Call it test event. Here, it showed up in my calendar, and the one who subscribed it will also see test event at 9 a.m. Yeah. So this, they'll get to see the events, and if I have another details in here, it'll also show up here. Now there's a third link. So I go into settings and sharing again. So the first link is get shareable link, where I share with other Google user. The second link is this one, the public URL to this calendar. And if they want to embed this in their website, they can use this tag to add it into their own website. This is how we add calendar in school website before. Now this is the third link, the iCal format. And this one is, let me show you the difference. It will end with iCal. And this is for subscribing. Yeah. So this link, I can add it into my iPhone. Using this link, and it will show up in my iPhone calendar. Let me show you how it works. Let me go to Facebook first. I share this link in my iPhone. Now I'll close my Facebook and open up my iPhone. So I see the link here, I'll copy it, and I'll go into settings, and in settings I search for calendar. There are a couple of things, so I want to go the third one. No, not the third one. Password and accounts. Yeah, password and accounts. In here I can add account, choose other, and add subscribe calendar, and then I put the link. No. Let me copy again. I put the link in here. Next, and I see demo public calendar here. I press save, and now when I go into my calendar, see, I see the demo public calendar in yellow, and the test events showed up here. So that's how I create my public calendar. To summarize it, there are 3 types of links in here. The first one is to share with other Google account. The second one is for open the browser, and you can use this link to see the calendar on the website, as a web. And the third one is for subscribing in the iPhone or other calendar application. And you can find that in the settings starting from the top. So get a shareable link give you the first one. Public URL give you the second one, and public address in iCal format is the third one. That's it for sharing a public calendar.